So now I'm sharing my screen. Tell me, is it share or not?
No.
I don't see it.
I can't see your screen.
I don't see it. All I see is people.
Yeah. Is it share?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. So, so today I will teach you last, and maybe I will take a test in the next class. Okay. So you can ask me doubt, but before taking test, I will tell you each and everything if you have any doubt. Okay.
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 So today's class is on again last class on multiplication. Today's last class maybe. Uh, I want to check it. Okay, fine. Yes, today's last class on multiplication. So listen to me. In the last class, we are studying how to multiply. How to multiply with ending zero. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And also we are study about the and I think we are also study about the without ending with zero multiplication. Okay. So today we are going to study about estimated the product. It means we are study about the multiplication, but we also study about the estimated multiplication. Okay. So you can see here round of the factors. Round of the factor estimated their products. Estimating of the products give the rough idea of the products. It means if I'm saying you have if you have 29 books, okay, and you have 18 pencils, okay. So if I'm saying, tell me estimated values of these number. Tell me estimated value of tens. Tell me 29. The estimated value of 29 is
30.
what? 30.
30.
Yeah. The estimated value of in the tens place. So that is 30. Fine. And tell me the estimated value of this number.
20.
But that's it. These are the estimated value. That's it. So you can see here, if we are multiply with 30 with 20, okay. So that is the estimated value, okay. Estimated uh, product, okay. And if I multiply with 29 and 18, so that is the actual multiplication, okay.
Okay.
So let's check a question. Let's check a question or let's check a answer. Both things. So firstly we have 46 and 29. No, 23. It's 23. Wait, I want to solve here. Here, I have 23. 26. 26 and 20. Nah, 23. So let's solve, okay? If we solve here, which side? Firstly, we have to solve in the estimated value. Tell me estimated value of 46.
50.
Okay, the estimated value is 50, fine. And then 23, tell me estimated value of 23.
20.
Okay, estimated value of 20. Good. Yes, 20 is estimated value. After that, we have to multiply. Okay.
Okay.
You know that if we multiply with 0, what comes?
0.
Yeah, 0 is come. Very good. After that, we have to multiply with 5. You know that if you anything is multiplied with 0, it becomes 0.
0.
That's it. Yeah. Now, if we multiply with 2, so from where we have started?
It was 0. That equals 0.
Yeah, second 0. Okay, fine. 2 multiplied with 0, it becomes 0.
0.
Okay. And 2 multiplied with 5, it becomes
10.
yeah, it becomes 10. Very good. So now we have to add. That's it. Now tell me 0, 0, and
0.
0.
And then 1. And then 1.
So that is the what? So that is the
1,000.
value. Yeah, the answer is 1000. Let's check your answer is correct or not. So you can wait. I want to say one thing. So here is the estimated value. What is this? So that is the estimated value. Okay.
Okay.
So let's check. Let's solve our actual value. Here we solve 46 and 23. Now solve this. 3 into 6 is what?
18.
18.
Yeah. Okay. It means you have one more for the addition. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
3 into 4 is what?
12.
12.
12 plus 1 is?
13.
Yeah.
Yes, 13. So now multiply with 2. From where we have started with multiply with 2?
12.
2 into 6 is what?
12.
12.
So from where we have to write 2? Tell me.
In the 10th place.
Yeah, very good. In the 10th place. Fine. 12. It means we have to write only 2. 1 carry to the 4. So 2 into 8 is
2 into 8.
sorry. 2 into 4 is
2
8.
into 4, 8.
8
Yes.
become if we add one more, it become 9. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now we have to add. That's it. So just add it. 8. And after then,
5.
yeah. After then,
10. 158.
okay. So answer is 1058. Okay, fine. But
Why is it one?
see, your answer is correct. Let's check. You can see. Here you can see. That answer is right, yes or no?
Yes.
Our answer is 1000. Yes or no? That is the estimated. Okay, and we are, in the exact product, our answer is 1058. So answer is correct. 8581. You can see you're correct. Okay. So now you can solve. Is there any problem? Tell me yes or no.
No.
So can I give a question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I will give one by one a question. You have to write. So wait. So first question for 597 for you. Solve it. Okay. And second question for 824. Solve it. And third question for 522. Third question for you. And question, wait.
4, 16, 20, 20.
And 537. You have to solve question number B. And 581. Question number 2 for you. B. Part B. But listen to me one thing. Here you can see in the question number in the question number first we have to estimated product round of nearest 10. Okay. And the B we
Which
have
one
to,
I got?
yeah. Listen to me one thing, that is important thing. For the B we have to find nearest 100 and the equation we have to find nearest 10. Okay. Now tell me answer. Okay, let's carry. There is a mistake. Wait, I will check. Where is right from? Sorry for this. 5 and 3. Oh, what's your answer? Tell me. Very good. 8 to 4. Good.
Thank you.
Oh, there is a mistake. Tell me your answer. 597. 597. Can you tell me what's your answer?
3,276.
30,000. 276. Let's check. I think there is some mistake, I think. Let's solve here. Here we have 42. Okay. And 78. Let's multiply. Your answer is 522. Can you tell me which question I will give you? I was I don't give which question I will give you. I was giving that.
417 times 126.
Okay, fine. Question number 3. Yeah. Tell me what's your answer? Your answer is
52,542.
and the estimated value. Tell me what's your estimated value?
I'm what's the good?
Yeah. I think there is a mistake. Let's check one by one. Okay. So firstly, check the question first. 8 into 2 is what? 16. Just is there a mistake? 522. Yeah, you're correct. Good. Now you're correct. 597. Now you're correct. Very good. Your answer is correct.
Okay.
Fine. So show me another one. 522.
This is the estimated one.
This is not the estimated one because I'm asking. Listen to me. What's the question? 522. Listen to me. Here is the find nearest nearest 100, which means your answer may be correct, but your mistake is, yes, you're right, but that is your exact value. 522, listen to me, your answer is correct, but that is the exact value. Okay. Can you tell me 581? Which question is this? Which answer is this? Okay, your answer is 82. It means your second question. Okay, fine. Let's check. I'm not giving you this answer. Listen to me. That's your not estimated value. That is exact value. Good. 581. Good. I'm not saying you're wrong, but you are finding exact value. I'm saying find nearest value.
I have the nearest calendar over here.
Listen to me again. What I'm saying. Okay, that's good. So you're correct. 581. You're correct. Good. 522. So let's solve question number B. You can see here we have to find nearest 100. So tell me what is the nearest of 470? Tell me. 470. Tell me.
400.
Yeah, 400. Good. And what is the estimated value of 126?
100.
Yes, that is a 100. If we multiply this, so what we have? 0. No, I've already told you. If you have least zeros, we have to just write put down right. Yes or no? I will already told you. I was already told you. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because you can see here is in the last zeros already comes here and here also comes here. So we have to write how many times 0? How many times 0?
2.
And no, can count 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is coming about 4 times 4. 4 times 0. So we have to write only 4 times 0. After that we have to multiply with 4. 1 into 4 is what? So that is the answer.
1000.
So that is there any problem? Listen to me. Can you solve this question? Tell me the estimated value of 563. Tell me fast.
Did you ask me?
Yeah, anyone can say, tell me. Anyone can tell me. Tell me estimated value of 563 fast.
I think that's 560.
600. The estimated value is 600. Is there any doubt? Because I'm asking in the nearest of 100. Okay. Now tell me what is the nearest value of estimated value of 724? Tell me.
700.
Yeah, 700. Now you can multiply. I'm already to tell you the some important facts or some important property of the multiplication. So you can see in the last if comes 0, so we have to just count and write. How many zeros is present in the last?
4.
So we have to just write 4 times 0, and after that we have to multiply with the number. So tell me 6 into 7 is what? Yeah, you can say 7 into 6 is what? Me?
2.
7 into 6 is 42. That's it. That is answer. Is there any problem?
No.
No.
So that is the most simple thing. So now is it clear everything?
Yes.
Okay, good.
That hurt my ear.
So 537 537. You are not showing your copy notebook.
Where is it? Wait. You gotta find it. What?
Good. 537, you're good. So let's check. Okay, I hope you're right. So let's solve some story sums. Okay. The question number is just an example story sums. A note. Now firstly, tell me, is this clear?
Yes.
Yes.
If there is any problem, I will zoom it. Okay. So the question is this: a notebook has 100. How many pages is there? 256 pages. Okay, in a notebook, in one notebook. Okay. So tell me how many pages are there in 5 such notebooks. It means in a one book, in a one notebook. Listen to me. In a one notebook, how many pages is there? There is 256. Okay.
Okay.
The question is this: if you have 5 notebooks, so tell me already in each books have 256 and the same time. If you have same books, there is
Mama.
5 each books. So we have to what? We have to multiply with 256. Yes or no?
Yes.
No.
Just you have to multiply, not multiply. I mean multiply. You can see. You can see the number of pages is the number of pages in one notebook is 256. The number of notebook is 5. So the number of pages in 5 notebooks is this. It means we have to multiply. If we multiply, then there is how many pages is there in 5 notebooks? 1,200 pages in a 5 notebooks. Okay.
Okay.
So fine. Okay, solve question number. Wait. Now, can you solve this question? Now solve this question. Is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Now you can see. I will all zoom, but you have to solve the question. Listen to me. You have to solve step by step. Like firstly, we have to write a books contain how many balls? A box contain about 480 balls, and the question is that how many balls do 71 such boxes contain? You have to write with step by step.
I'm done. We.
Your answer is 567. What's your answer? 567.
I'm done.
Good. Very good. Your answer is 541180. Okay, let's check. Wait for a minute. Okay. Okay. 522, show me. Good. Wait, I will check. Wait for a minute. Everyone, your answer is correct or not? I wait one, good, and eight to four, good, and everyone is good. But wait for a minute. Wait for a minute only. Wait for a second. I mean, finished. 5 to 2. Is it finished? Okay, your answer is 41180. Yes or no?
Yeah.
5 to 2. Okay, let's check your answer is correct. Everyone, check your answer.
No, I got it wrong.
So listen to me. The question is like this: the number of walls in one box is 580. So the number of boxes, how many boxes is there? 71. And the total box, a total number of the balls, we have to multiply with this. So you can see, if we multiply this, the answer is this. So it means you all are correct. Okay. I think your answer is this, yes or no?
Yes.
So everyone is correct. Very good. Well done. Well
Yeah.
done, everyone. So you have to write this manner. You can see you all are correct. You have to remember the point. We have to write with this manner. Firstly, we have to write number of the wall in the one box and number of the box. How many? It means in this question how many boxes is there, and after then we have to total number of the ball find with the multiplication, and after that the answer is 71 boxes contain about 41,180 walls. So now, is there any problem?
No.
So can we solve? I have a question for you. An interesting question for you, maybe. Can anybody solve this question?
Okay. Yeah.
Can you solve this question? Question number solved. Can anybody solve number 2?
Okay.
Hmm?
Try,
Bye.
try, and if you know, don't make a noise too much. Solve it and tell me answer. I will give you 2 minutes. It is that is some interesting facts type of question. If you know, then you can solve.
Miss Nancy,
Yeah.
I don't know how many minutes are in a day.
Okay, I will tell you. That's why I'm giving this question. I know that it's some difficult type. Maybe you can say. Wait for a minute. If anybody can solve, then you can. I will give a minute for a solve. But if you can't solve, then wait for a minute.
Okay.
Wait, are you talking about hours or? Okay, never mind.
Okay. So you cannot solve. Tell me. Anybody want to try this question?
I
If you don't want to try, just tell me. So now I'm going to start the question. Can I start? Can I start?
1,440 minutes happened in that day.
What's your answer? Tell me again. So let's check. Okay, I hope if anybody try this question, so good. But let's check your answer if you are correct. Don't waste our time. Maybe I already take too much time. So listen to me. What's the question is that? Normally, our heart beats 72 times in a minute. Beats. It means in a 1 minute. Tell me how many minutes in a minute. How many seconds is there? Tell me fast.
There are 60 seconds in 1 minute.
Yes. So your answer is 60 seconds in 1 minute. Okay, fine. And after that, we are saying how many times will be beats in a day. So tell me how many in 1 day how many hours is
There are
how many
24 hours.
Is it 24 hours? Yes or no?
Yes.
So you know that. Let's check your answer is correct or not. Okay. 597. Let's check. So you have 24 hours. Yes or no? And in the question you are saying the heartbeats beat about 72 times in a minute. In a minute. It means firstly we have to break in a seconds, and after that we have to break in firstly we have to break in minutes. In a minutes, in a whole day, you know that in a whole day is about 24 hours. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Firstly, you know that firstly comes you know that very small is second, after then comes is what? That is over that is minutes, I'm sorry. After the minutes, and what this come?
After
Which one is
minutes.
big? You know that hours is big, and after then minute is big,
Minutes.
and after then second. Yes or no?
Yes.
You know that already. So you know that if the question is on day, in a day, how many hours is there? That is 24. Okay. And after then you can say in a minute. In a minute. It means you have 60 minutes. Yes or no?
Yes.
After if you solve this question, then answer is what? Tell me. Can you solve this question? Now you have 7.
Yes, I know the answer.
Yeah, tell me.
Can I just show you? Because I don't want to see the number.
You can solve. I will tell you how to solve the question. Firstly, we have to multiply this question. It means, okay, 537. Let's say. Firstly, I will tell you 5 times 7. You are perfectly correct, and you are also correct. 5 to 7 and 5 times 7. You both are correct.
Okay.
Okay, let's check how to you are correct. So firstly, you can multiply with anyone. You have 60 and 24. So if we multiply with 24 and 60, tell me what we have. 0 multiplied with 6, 0 multiplied with 4, it is 0. Yes or no?
0. Yes.
And I get 0. Fine. Now you have multiplied with 6. Tell me that is 28. Yes or no?
Yeesh.
No, that is 24. Sorry, that is 24. Wait. So that is 24. It means we have to write 4. Now again we have 2. 2 into 2, 6 into 2 is 12. Yes or no? You have to add 2 more, it becomes 15. Yes or no? Now it becomes 0, 4, 4, and 1. So now you can see here. Okay. Now you can see here. So now you have what? Now you have 1, 4, 4, and 0. Tell me which number is left for the multiplication? This number is left, yes or no? So now we have to multiply with 72. If you multiply with 2, you can say that is 0. 2 into 1, 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into 4 is again 8. And 2 into 1 is 2. Now we have to multiply with 7. So it is 0. 7 into 4 is 28. We have to write 28. And again 7 into 4 is 28. We have to add 2 more is become 30. So 7 into 1 is 7. We have to add 3. It means it become 10. Now just we have to add 0, 8, 16. So you can say here is 16. So we have to write 6. It becomes 3. So you can see if your answer is this, then you're correct. Okay. Okay, fine. So the answer is 103,680 is the answer. Yeah. Good. 581. So now you're correct. So is there any problem?
No.
So what's the problem? If you have any problem, tell me. 537, you're correct. Good. And is that I think 597. You are telling me first. Yes, no. I think 597. You are telling me firstly the answer.
Okay.
Good. 522. Your answer is. Yeah, good. Now you're correct, everyone. 522. You're correct again. I mean, you're correct. Good. So I think today's class is not over, but I will tell you the multiplication chapter is complete. You can see we are study division in the next class. But before in the class, we have to discuss about some questions because maybe I will take a test on multiplication, addition, or subtraction. Is there any problem?
No.
You have to revise your all these question answer. If you have any doubt, now you can ask me. Listen to me. I will show you the previous questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, see. Okay, so now I will already. I think I was already taking test on this chapter. Yes or no? Romans. Already I will. I think I was already taking test on this question. Okay, fine. So here is addition and subtraction. You can see Is there any problem in this question? Here we are what? Here we are adding. Is there any problem in the adding?
Hmm?
Is there any problem in the adding?
No.
Okay, fine. You can solve. You can solve with the carry over. I think we can solve also the grouping. You can also the solve of estimated value. You can also solve in the column arrange. Let's take a question. Let's solve a question. Can you solve this question without writing? Without writing in your notebook.
Miss
First,
Nancy?
yeah.
I'm not sure if I'm seeing correctly, but does the question say she/he will ask the next student the place value of another, the chain will continue? Because
Hmm?
does it say that?
You want to say with me your class is over almost.
No. Like the screen you're sharing, like, does it say
Oh,
that?
okay, you can't see my screen.
Like it's just froze up, so I'm just asking if it's the right question or not.
Okay, wait. So now you can see clearly.
He/she will ask the next person. I don't think so.
Maybe leave the meetings.
Wait, is there? You mean listen to me?
So
I
like,
will listen to me. I will give you one day. You can find your questions in the previous lecture. If you had any doubt in the starting, we have to solve those questions. Okay. In the next lecture, I will solve those questions which you have some problems. Then I will after then I will take a test. Okay. Is there any problem?
No.
Okay. You can see Y is leaving. Okay, wait. Okay, wait. What? My lap again hang. Shit.
okay, there you go. I think I can see it now.
But I can't see. Okay, fine. So is there any problem? I hope you have no problem on solving all these questions. You can solve the estimated values. You can solve. Maybe I will take a test on table about about 2 to 10. Maybe I will take a test on table. You have to learn table 2 to 10. That is the mandatory.
Okay.
Okay. So I think this class is over now. You can see these are the questions. Maybe I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this type question, but maybe I will. I won't take these question because I am already give you these question. Yes or no? For
Yes.
the home, I think these question already give you in your homework. So maybe you can solve. You have to revise your all the questions. These questions already give you, and you can see find the number. You can solve the subtraction here. You can solve all these questions. Can you solve this question?
Yeah.
You can see if you have multiplication and the addition both. So tell me which question we have to solve first. You have minus and you have positive both. So firstly take which question? Which number I mean?
What?
Listen to me. If you have, for example, if you have like 4 minus 2 plus 8. Okay, so tell me, firstly we have to take which step? Tell me, firstly you have to subtract or we have to firstly addition. What we take first?
Subtract.
No, listen to me. That is the most important step. Firstly we have to add. What we have to do? Add. Because that is the rule of BODMAS. Maybe you know, or maybe you are studying in the next future classes, in the higher classes about the BODMAS. BOD.
I think I know already.
BOD
It
MOS.
sounds very familiar.
Listen to me. Is it clear?
Yes.
My screen is shared now. So listen to me. B for bracket. What the mean of B? B means bracket. Okay. For example, if you have a question like here I'm adding. Wait. Listen to me. If I am taking multiplication for here. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So here I'm divide. Okay. So you can see we have to take, maybe here I'm taking bracket here. So you can see what is the question says to us. You can see V means bracket, O for off. O means off. O means off. Okay. And D for division. D means division. BODMAS is ruled like this. Listen to me. How to remember this? BODMAS. BODMAS. Okay. So you can see after then D what's come? Multiplication. M for multiplication. A for
Addition. And S for subtraction.
yeah, as for subtraction, very good. So you can see if you have a question like this, you can maybe you have lots of question, lots of doubt in the mind. What we solve first? So you can see this question, you can solve. So firstly we have to take bracket. Now you can see we have two brackets. Yes or no?
Yes.
But we have to doubt what we have to solve firstly. So you can see what becomes first we had addition or we comes multiplication. So you can see multiplication is first come. Yes or no? So we have to solve this. It means we have to solve this. 4 into 2 is become 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
After then we have to take minus. Now we have to take second bracket. You have 8 plus 2, it become 10. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we have division. So you can see here is addition, here we have subtraction, and here this is nothing, so it means that is in positive, 8 is in positive, and we have division. So you can see division is comes from the first. You can see last is subtraction and division comes before. So we have to solve this. Yes or no? It means you have 10 and divide by 2. We have to divide this, then we have 5. I'm not going to teach you divide. I will teach you just I will take this for a future question. So now you have 5. You can write in your copy. Maybe that is very useful. BODMAS tool is very useful for your questions. So now you have 5 minus 8. So now tell me what's the answer if we subtract from the 8. It is what? Tell me, if we subtract from 5, subtract from the 8, it become what?
-3.
Yeah, so that is the answer. That's it. This class over. Don't make a noise. It's too much.
Oh, I'm sorry.
So take care. I love you. Today's class is over.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Take care.
Good
Listen to
morning.
me. Bye. Good morning and take
Okay.
care.
Good morning and good
Bye-bye.
night, everyone. Bye bye. Thank you for the
Take-
class.
Yeah.
Bye
You have to
bye.
take care. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye. Bye.